Magandang hapon po ng January 11, 2025 Saturday. At ito po ang mga resulta ng 5 PM draw result ng 2D Lotto at 3D Lotto. 2D Lotto 5 PM draw result ngayong hapon ng January 11, 2025 Saturday. Ito po ang mga sumusunod na numero na lumabas para sa 5 PM draw ng 2D Lotto. 3D Lotto 5 PM draw result ngayong hapon ng Saturday, January 11, 2025. Ito po ang mga sumusunod na number na lumabas para sa 3D Lotto 5 PM. See you again later for 9 PM draw result of Grand Lotto 655, Lotto 642, 6D Lotto, 3D Lotto, and 2D Lotto for January 11, 2025 Saturday. Here are the tonight's jackpot estimates of Grand Lotto 655 and Lotto 642 for Saturday, January 11, 2025. Thank you for watching this 5 PM video for January 11, 2025 Saturday. Don't forget to subscribe and hit notification bell for more Lotto result update.